All right, hi everybody. So I just wanted to take a moment. This is for my lab class, and just quickly address how to view the corrections, score, and so on any Google form that I send back to you. So this should be really, really quick. I'm just going to do it really quickly, and then that'll be it. All right. So let me really quickly share my screen. So for every Google form that you submit, you get sent a confirmation email. If you don't get that confirmation email, check your spam folder. Also, make sure that you type your email in correctly. I can't tell you how many people miss out on this because they mistype their email. If that ever happens, email me and I'll forward it to you. I'll forward the form to you. That being said, at the end of every module, when I grade these things, I actually do have an email sent out to you letting you know of your score and of any corrections. Now, one of the things that's really annoying about Google Forms, which I know, trust me, I wish this could all be done on Canvas. I get that frustration. I agree with that frustration. But one of the things that's kind of annoying about Google Forms is you might get an email that looks something like this. And this, it gives you the score, but it doesn't show you corrections. Well, here's actually how to fix that. If you highlight all of the text in that email, you can either do that by you can either do that by left clicking and dragging until you've highlighted all the text, or you could type Control A on a PC or Command A on a Mac, and it'll highlight everything for you. If you noticed, as I highlighted everything, there's a little thing down here that shows up that says View. For whatever reason, the font color that they used blends in with the background. I don't know why they do that. That being said, if you click on that, it'll actually take you to your score and to all of your corrections. And so this is how you can actually see all of those corrections. All right, so that's really all I wanted to show you. The other thing I guess I'll do real quick is apologize for the weird way that I do assignment submissions in this class. So if you want to listen to that real quickly, let me explain why I do it this way. First off, I get it, it's frustrating, but I'm actually going to say it's the least frustrating solution I could come up with. Any answer like this in Canvas is called a quiz. And what I found was that a lot of students, when they saw the word quiz, it raised anxiety, it freaked them out. I had a lot of students that emailing me, why so many quizzes? And I wrote everywhere, this is not a quiz, but Canvas still called it a quiz, and that just messed with people's minds. So I don't use Canvas's answer forms because they call them quizzes. So instead I use Google. Now here's the problem with that. Google and Canvas don't talk to each other. I don't know why, and I've tried a million different ways to get them to talk to each other, but they don't talk to each other. Instead, when you submit something via the Google form, it doesn't automatically show up in Canvas as you turned it in. Trust me, I'm annoyed by that as well. Like I really am. I'm just as annoyed by that. And I really apologize for that. So the workaround that I've come up with is when you submit your assignment, you get a confirmation page. Take a screenshot of that confirmation page and submit it at the top of the Canvas assignment where it says, make a submission. Submit it there, and then that will actually mark in the Canvas gradebook as you have submitted the assignment. You get a check mark, and it all goes from there. Now, if you ever forget to do that, that has absolutely zero bearing on your grade. It doesn't do anything like that. It just, Canvas will think that the assignment is missing. And so you might get a bunch of buggy emails from them and stuff like that. But as long as you've actually submitted the Google form, and as long as you get the confirmation email saying so, you're good. I hope that makes sense. Like, I also kind of hope that that brings a little bit more transparency to the situation. I really do apologize for it. It's not, I don't like it either. It's really the best of a bad situation that I could make work. And I should also say, it's not one size fits all. I know some students love it, some students are super frustrated by it. I totally understand either way. All right, so that's that. I'm going to post this link right now, just kind of explain that real quickly. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, threats, tomatoes to throw at me, you can either come to my front apartment with a pitchfork and a torch, or you can send me an email. And that's that. All right, well, have a great weekend. Hopefully the sunsets are as beautiful as, no, there we go, as that one, which I took a few weeks ago. Um, and I will see you all soon. Bye.